welcome to your home school. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board, and we are in our third chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. We are in our exercise 3.2 third main. So look here, what is your main heading here? Compare the given pair of linear equations and see whether they are consistent or inconsistent. So as we have discussed our table, at the time I have said for you, which are the cases we will be having consistent and inconsistent. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it will be having a unique solution and the lines will be intersecting. So at that time, the two equations will be consistent. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then when this ratio you are having, then what you can say, then the two lines are overlapping. Overlapping means the two lines are coincident. At the time, the solutions will be infinitely, many solutions will be there. So when they have many solutions, they will be consistent. Only one condition where it is inconsistent, that is when a pair of linear equations a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, that is only the one condition where they will be inconsistent. So we are having in this main 5 sub question. Let's start doing with the first problem. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. So write all the statements here, children, as I read the statement. On comparing the given pair of linear equations with the standard form of the linear equation. What is the standard form of the equation? That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. But when we have two equations, we have to compare with a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Let's start here. On comparing, a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 5. See, observe here, children, how I get minus 5? Equal to 0 you should get. Then this 5, bring this side. Then it become minus 5 equal to 0. Similarly, this equal to 7, bring this side, minus 7 equal to 0. Now compare a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to minus 3, c2 equal to minus 7. Okay. Now see the ratios here. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Minus minus cancel, and whereas these two, 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by minus 3, and this is also not equal. So immediately when you see this, what you can say? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore the two lines are intersecting and having a unique solution. Then what will be these equations? Therefore the pair of linear equations, shortcut I have written, therefore the pair of linear equations are consistent, okay. Still short we are going to do this all problems, but you do neatly with the statement and stepwise. Let's say this one, comparing with the given equation. First bring the equation this side. Equal to 8 will become this side minus 8. Equal to 9 will become minus 9 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with the standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now write here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 8. Similarly, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 9. Now compare the ratios. 2 by 4, minus 3 by minus 6, minus 8 by minus 9. So what happens here? 1 by 2, minus minus cancel, 1 by 2, and here it won't cancel. These two are equal and these not equal. Therefore, I can remember A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. What is this condition, children? Here the pair of linear equations are parallel. They doesn't have a solution. Therefore, what you can say? Therefore, the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. They are inconsistent. Okay. So, let's see the third one here. Again, bring the equation this side, 7 this side, minus 7, 14 this side, minus 14 equal to 0. Comparing the two equations with the standard form of the equation, that is A1 3 by 2, B1 5 by 3, C1 minus 7. Similarly, A2 9, B2 minus 10, C2 minus 14. Okay. Now see the ratio, children. 3 by 9 and this one 5 by 3 by minus 10 and another minus 7 by minus 14. How will you bring this up? How can you bring this, children? This one 3 by 2 into 9 by 1. So it will be 1 by 9. 3 3s are 9 and this one will be 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10. 5 2s are. So that will be here 1 by 6 and this will be minus 1 by 6 and this will be minus cancel 7 by 2. That will be minus cancel, it will be 1 by 2. So look here, all are not equal. All are not equal. But if I see the first two pairs, what I can say? A1, you can write like this. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, they are consistent is your answer. Therefore, they are consistent. Let's see the fourth problem here. Again, see the problem. Bring 11 this side, minus 11 and bring minus 22 this side. It becomes plus 22. Okay. Now compare the two equations with the standard form. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Right? So, two equations. I will write a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. a1 is equal to how much? 5. b1 is equal to minus 3. c1 is equal to minus 11. a2 equal to minus 10. b2 equal to 6. c2 equal to 22. Now, write the ratios. 5 by minus 10. Minus 3 by 6, minus 11 by 22. 5 ones, 5 twos, 3 ones, 3 twos, 11 ones, 11 twos. So finally what you are going to get? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. All are equal. Look here children, this minus sign is at the denominator. Now I am bringing to numerator. If I multiply minus for numerator and denominator, this will be minus 1. Minus into minus will be plus 2. So you can change directly or you have to think over like this. I have changed. So finally, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So what you are going to say children? All the ratios are equal. Therefore, they are coinciding. If they are coinciding, they will be having many solutions. If they have many solutions, therefore, the two pair of linear equations are consistent. Okay, let's see the fifth problem in this main. So, you can see 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So, bring this 8 this side. What happens? Minus 8 equal to 0. And bring this 12 this side. Minus 12 equal to 0. Now, compare the pair of linear equations with the standard form of the linear equation. That is linear equation in two variables children. This is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now First equation a1 is equal to 4 by 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 8. And the another equation a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to minus 12. So now see the ratios, 4 by 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 and minus 8 by minus 12. So you can cancel here. Yes, 4 2s are 4 3s are minus cancel. Then here what will be happening? 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 it becomes. So 2 2s are 4. Finally what I can say here, this is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. Therefore all the ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore all the ratios are equal. If all the ratios are equal, what you can say? Therefore the two pair of linear equations are coincident. If they are coincident, they will be having many solutions, right? So therefore they are consistent. Okay, therefore they are consistent. Okay, let's see our fourth main. In a pair of linear equations in two variables, see whether they are consistent or inconsistent. If they are consistent, solve graphically is your question. If they are consistent, when they will be consistent, children? When the two linear equations, if you get intersecting, or if the two linear equations getting coincident, then only they will be consistent, right? Check the equations. If they are consistent, do graphically. If they are inconsistent, no need of doing graphically. Let's see the first sub question. X plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So, as we do, how we do, children? Bring this equation normally. X plus y, bring this 5 this side. Minus 5 equal to 0. And this one also. 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Now compare these two equations. Compare these two equations with the standard form. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So now let's compare here, children. A1 is equal to 1. B1 is equal to 1. C1 is equal to minus 5. Now look here. A2 is equal to 2. B2 is equal to 2. C2 equal to minus 10. Okay. So now ratio you see here. A1 by A2. B1 by B2. And C1 by C2. What happens? Minus cancel. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Therefore, all the ratios are equal, children. If all the ratios are equal, what you can say? Therefore, the two pair of linear equations will be coincident. Therefore, the two pair of linear equations will be coincident. Coincident means indefinitely having many solutions. Okay, if they are having many solutions, then they will be consistent. So what you can say? Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, these pair of linear equations are consistent. So what did I say, children? If they are consistent, you are going to show it graphically. So let me mark this 1 and let me mark this 2. Okay. So now they are consistent. Therefore, we need to solve these equations graphically, or solving, you can write it as solving graphically these equations. Okay. Consider equation 1. What is your equation 1, children? x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, when you are going to do in graph, you have to convert your equation in y form, right? That is y as it is here. Okay, send this minus 5 other side plus 5. Send this x other side minus x. Okay, now let's draw a table for this equation. How many columns and how many rows? 3 rows, and let me take 4 columns. Okay, x, y, x comma y. Similarly, one more equation let me write here. That is 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Observe here children, if I take 2 common, what happens? X plus y minus 5 equal to 0. If you send this to this side, 0 by anything will be 0. So, x plus y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 minus x. What you can see? Both are having same equations. Then how can we do? Shall we do 2 times 2 boxes? Yeah, wish. If you want one more time you can do, or you can do the same box 2 times also you can do. Let me take any values. If I take 0 to 5, because these 2 equations will be having many solutions, so you can take many values. 0 to 5 I have taken here. So what you are going to do? If x equal to 0, see here children, if x equal to 0, substitute here y is equal to 5 minus 0, that will be 5. Coordinate is 0, 5. Similarly, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 minus 2, that will be 3. And this will be 2, 3. Then one more. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 5, that will be 0. 5, 0. Okay. So, if you want one more table, you can take one more table children. Same. The points will be overlapping one another. If you want, you can take, let's see here, one more box. X, y, x comma y. What values we are going to take children? 0 to 5 I have taken there. So let me take here 1, minus 2, 1, 3 I'll take. Okay. So what happens here? If x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5 minus of minus 2, that will be 5 plus 2 will be 7. Yeah, coordinate will be minus 2, 7. Now, if x is equal to, what is the another value I have taken here? 1. Y is equal to 5 minus 1, that will be 4. Yeah, coordinate will be 1, 4. Then yeah, another value. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Yeah, coordinate is 3, 2. Okay, let's solve this 2 tables on graph. Okay, let's see the fourth main first problem children here. As we have solved now on board, you can see here 2 tabular columns. So finally, what did you say here? The linear equations are consistent. If they are consistent, we have to show graphically. So these are the 2 tables which we need to draw on graph sheet. So look here, graph sheet, how we are going to take the scale on x-axis 2, 0, 5, 0, 1, 3 means you can take 1 unit. So I have taken here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to here your scale is enough, but I have taken, right? So scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, right? So now let's start plotting this one. Okay. 0, 5. Look here. 0 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. Where do those two will be meeting? 0, 5. This is the point. Right? Next coordinate 2, 3. See here 2 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. Where do those two meet? Here. And one more 5, 0. 5 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. Okay, you can see the 3 points here. 0, 5, 2, 3 and 5, 0. So let's join these 3 points here. So see carefully and join. Okay, it forms a line. And write the equation for this. What is the equation? X plus y is equal to 5. Okay. Then see the another table here. 0, 5. Where is 0, 5? Same point. And one more coordinate. 1, 4. Where is 1, 4? Here it is, right? And then 3, 2. So you can see here all the points are lying on a same line. So this line equation is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Means the two equations are coincident on the same line. No need of drawing another line. All the points are lying on the same line. Therefore, what you can conclude here? On plotting these points graphically, we get two lines which are coincident. These pair of linear equations had many solutions. See here, every point is a solution for these two lines, children. Therefore, they will be having infinitely many solutions. We need to mark the coordinates here, children. That is 0, 5. This is the point. And 2, 3. This is the coordinate. And then 5, 0. The next table 0, 5. Where is 0, 5? Same point. 1, 4. This is the coordinate. And then 3, 2. This is the coordinate. Okay. Like this, compulsory we need to plot the coordinates and also the line equations. Okay, let's see the second sub question here. X minus y is equal to 8. 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So now let's compare these two equations here. And we are going to rewrite this. X minus y plus 8 if it comes this side. Minus 8 equal to 0. And similarly, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Plus 16 bring this side. 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. Okay. So now comparing with the standard form of the linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 8. And next equation, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 16. Now compare here, children. 1 by 3 minus 1 by minus 3 and here minus 8 by minus 16. Now minus minus cancel 8 twos. So finally what you can say, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore this condition what you can say, therefore the two pair of linear equations will be parallel. If they are parallel, they are inconsistent. What is your condition here? If they are consistent, show graphically said. But they are inconsistent, no need of doing in graph. Therefore, the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. You can end your answer here. So let's see the third problem here. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So now let's start comparing with the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, when we are comparing this, children, you can write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 also you can take. Or the same equation when you are comparing with the first one, you can change a1, b1, c1. Second one, a2, b2, c2 also you can write. So now a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 6. Next one, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 4. Okay, compare the ratios, children. 2 by 4, 1 by minus 2, minus 6 by minus 4. Okay, minus minus cancel, 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 2s. So what you can say? They are all not equal. If they are all not equal, but I can see the first two ratios. What is that? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This may be equal or may not be equal. Not bothered. Okay, so now if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then what you can say? Therefore, the pair of linear equations are intersecting. Therefore, the lines are intersecting. If they are intersecting, what you can say? They are consistent. So, what is the given main heading, children? If they are consistent, show graphically. So, graphically, so represent graphically. How can we represent graphically here? Consider one by one equation, convert into y, draw the table, and then take the coordinates and plot in a graph. So your first equation, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Change the equation, children. Y is equal to 2x this side, 6 minus 6 this side, 6 minus 2x. Okay, this is your first equation. Let me mark this one. And then second equation, take here 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So observe here, yeah, y is negative. Then you don't disturb these two. You send the y value other side. Okay, that makes 4x minus 4 is equal to 2y. And if you want, you can take two common, children. 2x minus 2 is equal to y. 2y, 2 will be cancelled. Then y is equal to 2x minus 2. That is your second equation you can take. Okay, let's do graphically here. Consider equation 1. That is y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Take the table here. X, y, x comma y. 0, 2, 4. I've taken some 3 values and you take the next equation. Consider y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, or equation 2 also you can say equation 2, that is y is equal to x minus 2, and take one more table here, one more table. You can take same values x, y, x comma y, you can take 0, 2, 4. Okay, let's start here. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0, that will be 6 minus 0 will be 6. So write here coordinate is 0, 6. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2, that will be 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Your coordinate will be 2, 2, right? If x equal to 4, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 4. That will be 6 minus 8 equal to minus 2. Your coordinate will be 4 comma minus 2. Consider the next equation. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 2 will be 0 minus 2. That will be minus 2. Okay. So similarly, if x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2. This is 2. And if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So what you can say, children? What are all the coordinates here? 0 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 2, 4 comma 6. See this box and this box we are going to show in graph now. Okay, and then get the answer, right? See the third problem here, children. As this is consistent, we are going to plot this in a graph sheet. So this part we have seen now on board, and these are the two tables which we need to plot on the graph. So observe here and write scale 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4. So if you have 4 points, it's enough. But I don't want to make my graph very small. So for that purpose, I have taken here scale differently. That is scale. Always you should write first scale on a graph sheet. On x-axis, how I have taken, look here carefully. 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. And on y-axis, same thing I have done on y-axis also. On y-axis, 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. Okay. So now let's start plotting this graph. 0, 6. Where is 0, 6, children here? 0 on x-axis and 6 on y-axis. Where do those two will be meeting? This is the point, right? 2 comma 2. Where is 2 comma 2, children? 2 on x-axis and on y-axis 2. Where do those two will meet? Here. And next 4 comma minus 2. 4 on x-axis. Where is minus 2? It should come down. Yes, this is minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. Then with this line coordinates completed. So what we need to do now? We need to join these 3 points. Okay, we got a straight line and write the line equation. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. And we have to write the coordinates also. 0 comma 6 and this is 2 comma 2 and this one will be 4 comma minus 2. Yes. Now let's shift to the next table, that is 0 comma minus 2. Where is 0 comma minus 2? 0 on x-axis, minus 2 on y-axis. This is the point, right? 0 comma minus 2. This is the point, children. Next 2 comma 2. Already it was there here. Then 4 comma 6. 4 and where does the 6? So look here, 4 comma 6 means this is the point. So now take scale and try to join these all points. So that will be, so while you are joining, please be careful. The line should be passed through the point, not outside the point or beside the point. So now what you can say here, therefore the two lines are intersecting at a point, that is 2 comma 2. Now write this coordinates, children. 4 comma 6, 2 comma 2, 0 comma minus 2. So finally, if you want, children, see here, what am I doing here? If you want, you can take with the scale dotted line. So where does the 2 points intersect? 2 comma 2. That show on x-axis. How do you show here? Draw a dotted line, perpendiculars, where it is touching 2. That means x is equal to 2, and y is equal to 2. What is this equation here? 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Right? So now finally, on plotting these points graphically, we get two lines which are intersecting at 2, 2. That is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. This means, what did they say, children? If they are consistent, show graphically. If they are inconsistent, no need of showing graphically given. Okay? Fourth problem here, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, and another equation 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So look here, children, comparing the two equations with the standard form of the pair of linear equations in two variables. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That will be a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 2, c1 equal to minus 2. Right? Then this one, children, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 4, c2 equal to minus 5. Now write the ratios. 2 by 4 minus 2 by minus 4 minus 2 by minus 5. Minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are, then these two are not equal and these two are equal. So what you can see here? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Finally, what you can see, children? Therefore, the two lines are parallel and they have no solution. They are inconsistent. You can stop there itself, no need of showing in graph. There is a condition, but actually if they are inconsistent also, you can draw in graph. According to your main heading, if they are consistent, solve graphically asked. Okay, with this we are going to end our session, children. Slowly, neatly do in your graph book. Okay, with this we are going to end our session. Thank you all. Keep watching. In our next session, we are going to complete this exercise.